Did you know that you can actually make money while playing games? Sounds too good to be true, right? But in this video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing free app that allows you to not only play your favorite games, but also make up to $100 within just a few hours. Say goodbye to wasting your time on mindless gaming, and hello to earning real cash effortlessly. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Join the gaming revolution today and start making money while having fun. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, let's get started. Play games and make real cash now. Introducing MoneyTree 2, the app that offers an exciting gaming experience while giving you the chance to earn up to $100 in just a few hours. With a wide range of your favorite games available, you can now enjoy endless entertainment and potentially boost your earnings at the same time. Imagine having the opportunity to turn your leisure time into a profitable venture. Whether you're a casual gamer or someone looking to make some extra cash, MoneyTree 2 has got you covered. Our user-friendly interface ensures that you can easily navigate through various game options and start earning right away. MoneyTree 2 app has gained popularity over the past few years. It has more than 1 million downloads and more than 11,000 reviews with rate 4.3. But how does it work? It's simple. As you play and progress through different levels, you'll unlock rewards and bonuses. These can be converted into real cash that will be credited directly to your account. The more time and effort you invest in playing, the higher your chances of earning substantial amounts. So why wait? Download MoneyTree 2 now and embark on an exciting journey where entertainment meets earning potential. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to enjoy your favorite games while earning up to $100 in just a few hours. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.